Well, I have something I created called the Magic Pen Journal Kit. And it's a blank journal that can be used either for journaling with real heavy duty pages and a magic pen, which has been laser engraved with the words magic pen on it. So I'm telling people to use it as a journal. When we were kids, we used to write diaries. I don't know if anybody does that anymore, but if not, use it to manifest your wishes. And the best way to do it is to put at the top of the page the date and what do you wish? What do you really want? People don't stop and think about it, because if you want to manifest your wishes, you have to stop and think about what is it I really want and tell the universe. And then to take it a step further, I created these kits because people have said to me, well, what do I write in there? I've never manifested. I don't know how it works. You want to tell them what you want and you want to give detail on it. Here's one I did. It comes with every book. You get one kit. This one is on weight loss and getting fit, and it's got all the questions to ask yourself, including how will I get the willpower I need to stay on a program? That's the toughest part. Then I have one for finding your true love. And it's more than just being attracted to somebody. What are the qualities they have? What are the hobbies? What things do you share? Do you like indoor activities, outdoor activities? So I have a whole list of questions in these kits that you can ask yourself. So it doesn't have to just be for manifesting your wishes. It can be for how do I go about finding this person that I want to be with? And then when you do, here's the one to plan your perfect wedding. People don't know until they get involved in it. What do I need to know? Where do I find the venue and the photographer and a caterer? So all the right questions to ask to make it a success are in this book on planning your wedding. Then I have one for you're on your wedding, you've gotten married, and you're ready to take a cruise. What things should you look for in a cruise? What did I enjoy? How did it make me feel? Was it the food? Was it the beverage? Was it the people I meet? So I have a kit for going on a cruise. And best of all, and this applies to everybody, is manifesting your perfect career. And it's all the right questions to ask, how to go about putting together a resume, and how to act on an interview. And at the end, I just kind of give everybody some encouragement about you're amazing, you're wonderful, and you need to believe that in yourself. Because whatever is in your mind is what you believe. And that's why manifesting is so powerful, because if you write it down and you read it every morning and you read it every night before you go to bed, you have manifested your wishes. You've programmed your subconscious mind to believe those thoughts that you have written down. And that's what's so and people say, what's the magic in the magic pen? You are the magic. It's what you think and what you believe. And I take this a step further, where most people say just to manifest. I say, no, you have to have an action plan. If you think about an athlete doesn't just go out on the field and hit a ball. He thinks about the videos he saw and how the pitch is going to come to him and how far he's going to hit it, and the crowd yelling, just like the golfer that wants to hit that putt and get that green jacket and win the golf pro contest. You have to have an action plan so that after you've decided this is what I want to win, I want to have abundance, I want to have recognition, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to practice every day. So you have to take manifestation another step. It does work, but have an action plan. You're not going to go apply for a job and not think about what you're going to say, what your best qualities are, why they should hire you, how you fit the company. So these kits are invaluable, and there's one free with every book that's ordered.